Focus in photography is the part of your image that is clear and sharp in your photograph. Where the part of your image that is clear and sharp will be in focus, the blurry parts will be out of focus. With your camera, your lens will work a little bit like your eye. Kind of. Now try this. Close one eye and bring your hand to about a foot away from your face and focus on it so your hand becomes sharp. Keep looking at your hand, but just use your peripheral vision to notice the background. It will seem blurry or fuzzy, so your hand will be in focus and the background will be out of focus. With your camera, the glass in the lens can move to get part of the image sharp and clear. You'll find that if you focus on a flat plane, it will all be in focus if it's perpendicular or right angles to the camera. Whereas if you're looking along the plane at a low angle, only part of it will be in focus. And when you turn that focusing dial, you'll see the part that's in focus move backwards and forwards. So at the point you focus to, there will be an acceptable level of focus around this plane, which will slowly go out of focus the further you move away from this plane. Now, if you make the aperture in your lens smaller, your plane of focus will become deeper. So basically more will be in focus from front to back. And if you open up your aperture, this plane of focus will become more shallow. Also, the further away from the camera the focus point is, the deeper this plane of focus will get. So if you focus to about 6 inches away from the camera, only a small plane will be in focus. Whereas if you focus on something really far away, this plane will be much deeper. So focus is the part of your image that is clear and sharp, and by changing how you photograph your subject and how you change your settings or turn your focusing dial, you can manipulate how much of your subject is in focus. Now for some home photography projects, click on this link next, and if you want to learn some landscape photography tips, click on this tutorial down here. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for weekly tutorials in photography. I'll see you next time.